Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 10 Start menu not working. Right-click Start menu. Click Windows PowerShell. Copy the command from description and paste it to PowerShell window. Click Enter. The command is executing. After completing the command execution, restart your system. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.